Finish. What you have to do is select your face. Select your face. Use the lasso tool. This one, LASSO, select. Make it.
Face.
Yes, right click and lasso select, then select the face. Only the face, right? Don't select any other, only the face. So it is okay to select something extra areas, but don't select half away. Don't select like this. This is okay. If you have error selecting, press Control D, Control key and D key. That will deselect. Control D, deselect. If you select like if you miss some area like this, Control D to deselect and reselect the area properly. Okay, I'm going to select my face with some extra area. Okay, done. Then go to edit menu and cut this. Edit, cut. Edit menu, cut the face, and you will miss that face area. Then go to that second image, this one, edit menu, paste this, and you will get this. So sometimes your face is larger than the toon. So if you get such issue, just go to the arrow, first one, and select the transform controls and reduce the size by using the control arrows. Just reduce it like this. You can click and reduce. If your face is too large, just reduce, okay, and make it reasonable size like this and fix it. Then you can erase using the eraser button, the additional area. You can erase using the eraser button. Be careful. Don't erase your face, nose, and just erase. Yes.
So in my list, not have lasso tool.
So that is what bad listening is. You don't have lasso tool, I know that. You have this tool, rectangle tool. Isn't that so?
Yes, sir.
You have to right click and select the lasso tool from there. That is
but
what
only have two in the list, sir.
two in the list.
Yes,
so
sir.
What are the two tools?
Only rectangle tool and circle tool.
Only two? It
Yes,
cannot
sir.
be. Normally it cannot be, Pamsilu. So can you share your screen? I just wonder why it is like.
Okay, sir.
Right, okay. Just share the screen. Normally it cannot be, right? Because I'm using, this is Cloud App, no? In Cloud Apps, so it's almost same. You get the same one as my one. Okay, you can share it now. Share it quickly. Next one. Next, third one. You have lasso. So it's grouped to the two, right? Okay. So others having the same issue, please use the third one. Third tool you have lasso. Right. If you cannot see the icon in the second one, the third one, maybe try for the third one. In third one, you can see the lasso tool, right? Okay, so this is what you have to do, right? So don't use other images. Try to use your image, right? You have to use your image and tool. So in the background, you can see there's a small error because I can see the hair and all. So I can erase that. To do that, I can go to the background layer, the second layer, which is background layer. In the background layer, I can use the brush tool here, the brush tool, and I can select the color of the background color, this one. Okay, let's select the background color, this color. Then I'm going to draw over there using the brush tool. Now you can see that area is it's erased. Right, I think you have seen this in newspapers, right? This is an effect. This is a thing used in newspapers. See here. Have you used this? Have you see these kind of things?
Yes, sir. In the
Okay.
newspaper.
Uh,
Excuse me, sir.
these kind of things.
Yes, sir.
And this kind of things. So they have even used the cartoon hair. Then you can erase your hair also and keep the cartoon hair. You can just try, right? If you don't want the.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Can you show me how to cut the photo? Cut your head and put on the doctor's one?
Right. So that was done by this. So again, listening issue, right? So can you share your screen? Let's do in your screen. Is it okay?
Okay,
Oh.
sir.
All right. Okay. I have stopped sharing my one. You can share your one, right?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How to get brush tool?
So see the tools. When you go on top of the tool, you can see the brush tool. Now you can share the screen. So those who requested the help, you can share the screen. Sophia, is that you? Right. Okay. Okay, you have one. The second one, you have your image. Go to your image first. Please go to your open your image also. Others, please see how she's doing this, right? Others, please see how she's doing this. Okay, now see, she has opened the image. Go to your image. Not that one. The other one. Okay, now you have to use the lasso tool and draw. Cover your face. So draw over like okay. Okay. Right. Finish it. Okay, done. Right. Okay, selected. Now edit. Go to the edit menu. Edit menu. Cut. Yes. Go to the that picture. Edit menu. Paste it. Paste. Okay. Now go to the arrow. The first tool. Go to the arrow tool. Right. Okay. Now click on the transform controls. Transform controls. All right, that one. Yes. Now reduce the size by just dragging the corner. Just not that is rotating. Go to the corner first. Okay, you can rotate like this. Okay, make it little. Okay, so there was another one asking question. Yes, what was that? Why does it say layer is not editable? So maybe layer is locked. So one reason can be layer is locked. Right, check there are lock signs here. You can see a few lock signs. Just reduce the size, further reduce the size. Okay. Right. After that, you can untick, after doing this, you can untick the transform handles. Yeah, click on the transform handle again, and that will remove the handles. Transform handles, yes, again tick that. Okay, so Devdisi, so what have you found the issue or need help? You can share the screen, Pute. Okay, Abinu. Devdisi, have you found the issue? හොයාගත්තද පුතේ issue එක හොයාගන්න බැරි වුණා නම් screen එක share කරන්න. Devdisi.
Please, how to get the brush tool? I can't understand it.
Okay, so that part I can do like this. Okay, I have reduced the size. So if you want to get the brush tool, so you just go to the. Okay, you can just reduce the size and just put over there. Brush tool can be taken using this here. You can see this one is the brush tool. This is the brush tool. If you don't see that, just right click closer to this place and you will see the brush tool. Then if you want to change the color, click on this color button. There are two squares. The first one is showing the color. Just click that and select any color that you like. Or if you want to take the color from the image itself, you can just click on the image and it will select the image colors for you like this. It will change the color to the image matching colors when you click this. And then click OK. Not editable. One thing is this is locked. When this is locked, when you try to edit, it says not editable. When it is locked and when you try to edit, here this layer is locked, not editable. That is one reason. Or if you remove the lock, it will give you the editable editing capability. That is one thing. If you share the screen, then I can help. But if you not share the screen, I cannot see what really happens. Devdisi, if you can share the screen, then I can really help you and tell what to do in such situation. Okay, let me remove the hair as well.
Okay, so I'll share the screen.
So let me remove the hair as well, and I'm going to have the face only. Again, I'm going to this one and now see, I'm going to rotate this transform handles and rotate this and if you want to just make it more reliable, you can just go to the smudge tool. And so actually more visually looks like this. You can just add like this and just smudge over there. You can just merge it with the current. So you can cartoonize very well. Now you cannot, yeah, now you'll not see the border because I have used this smudge tool and draw over the border. Then you will see that much similar to this one. And also you can use the eraser tool to erase unnecessary areas if you don't want. Okay, now you can see this looks like the cartoon version. Right? Okay, who can share the screen now? Can you share it soon? Then I can do this. Yes, share it soon. I'll help.
Sir, I found the answer.
I found the answer, right? Okay, then it's okay. Anyone need anything else? Because now we are going to finish and make it more natural, like not natural actually, more realistic. Make it more realistic. That can be done. Control plus for zoom if you want how to zoom. Control plus for zoom. Control minus for zoom out. Control plus for zooming in. So if you want to make it more realistic after erasing, go to this tool, the smudge tool, and just drag over the face, and then you can make it more realistic.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to undo and redo?
Go to edit menu, there's undo and redo. Step forward and step backward. Okay.
Sir, Sandy.
Okay, good.
Sir, මගේ smudge tool එක නැහැ.
Smudge tool එකක් directly එන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. ඒකයි මම කිව්වේ මෙතන right click කරන්න. Just right click and it will you have blur tool එක ඇතිනේ. Blur tool එක උඩ right click කරන්න එතකොට smudge එක හොයාගන්න පුළුවන්. මේ හැම tool එකක් උඩම right click කරලා බලන්න සමහර තව අනිත් tools තියෙනවා. You can find the other tools. Just right click over the tools and you can find the other tools, right? If you have blur tools, just right click and you can see the smudge one. Okay, this is what Ronald has sent me. So let's open this. Just still opening. Okay, make it more realistic and send it to me, right? So this is your, so this week practical actually. This is this week practical. You have to get the help from your instructor and actually do this perfectly. Just color up your dream by adding these two. This is what Ronald has done, right? Let me open and show you what he has done. Still opening, seems. Okay, this is what he has done. But Ronald, you have to write color up these areas, right? What you have to do is you have to color up these areas using the brush tool. Just pick the color like this and just add colors, and you can just add these colors and fill the colors. Otherwise, it looks like that it's taken from somewhere else. Just add this and you can see it's more realistic. I think proportionally the face is too large. Is it? Isn't that so? Proportionally it seems too large, but somewhat okay. You can further develop this. Okay. If you put a single color, you can see it looks nice. No? Okay, with that I'm going to stop for today because we have to start grade 7 class also. 7 will be started by 8:15, right? 8:15.
Okay.
Okay, good night then. Please do this and send me the picture.
Good night, sir. Thank you,
Night.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.